Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, that is Tech Aruna, and I hope all of you know that I'm running a series on Canva tutorial, and today's episode is all about creating a vision board for your desktop or mobile using Canva. So, without wasting much time, we will go to Canva platform, log in, and then right hand side corner you have created design. Just click on it and then choose desktop wallpaper. So you will get n number of options. You can go and choose the first one, which is 1920 into 1080 pixel. Yes. Now we are going to create a vision board in a blank template. Now this is blank template we are going to use. See, in a vision board, generally what all the things we look for is, we look for family's happiness, peace, money, travel, success, maybe job. So whatever your requirement, on that basis we are going to choose the images according to that. So first I am going to choose, I need a family picture. That is the most important thing in anybody's life. So I'm clicking the family photo here, and I also need a title for that, so I'm going to bring that also here. Now I'm going to make it smaller in size so that we'll get space for other things also. Now I need to change the color of this font. So I'm going to go to edit photo and I'm going to check all the filters. I will be choosing a neon one, which is very, yes, color pop. So I'm using this one. So now you can see here how this uh, family font or text is settled over here. Now let me check for happiness. So happiness, this is a wonderful picture, so I'm going to resize it and place it, and slightly you can just tilt it so that it gives a good look. Okay, now after that I need a success key, correct? Now this is with some dull background. I'm going to remove the background using background remover. Click on it. Now it is done. Now I'm going to place it somewhere here, so that this is also very important in life. So success is also placed, happiness is also placed. Now we need to have, I think, health, right? So health is more important. We can go for good health and choose a different health image. Okay, so I am going to use a health image. Yeah, it is. So we've got a good health photograph also. So I'm going to resize it and again placing it here with a simple turn so that it gives a good look, right? Yes, here it is. Now the next one we need is money. We also need money, right? So we can go for a money image. Everybody needs money in life, right? So we can actually go for money, and then again I'm going to resize it and turn and twist and place it in a position. Now we need happiness. So for happiness, yeah, we have a picture. This picture can match with the happiness. So here we go. We can resize it and then we can place it here. So here it is. Now what is remaining? Peace is remaining. We can again go to elements and then go for piece. So here it is. Again I'm going to resize this piece and then I'm going to place it on the top corner and then again turn and twist and then make it fit somewhere here. Done. The money is also done this way. Okay, here it is. This. Then what else we need? We need lot of travel. Everybody likes to travel, right? So in our vision board, definitely travel also one of the important. So here it is. We can go for travel, place it, and then you can resize it so that it fits properly here. I'm going to resize this again, and then again like this, and then below family I can now go and okay, set everything properly so that we get a good proper. I think we can shift here. This travel can go here, and then we can come and place this money here, slightly turn, twist, and then okay, you can place it here. Now we can enlarge this travel. Yes, this is also important. So this is as simple as that. You can actually settle everything in such a way that it catches your eye and give the complete meaning also. Even you can add some quotes like this, good things are coming up. You can again resize it, and you can place it here so that like this also gives good vibe. And I think we can change the backdrop and then make it more vibrant. Okay, I'm going to change this. No, it is not suitable. I'll go for a darker one. Yes, and the good can be changed to this color. Let us see. Then this is again dull, so we are changing this color also, and again this color also I want a bit prominent color. Yes, then this color also I can go and change. Yes, so we can go for this kind of letters also, so that good things are coming. So you have a wonderful vision board, but we need to change the color, no? Like we need to we'll check which color will suit. Maybe purple. We can check everything, and then we can go for a beautiful color background so that it gives a vibrant look. So still, if you want to arrange your, oh, we have not done this success. Yes, I have settled this success also here. I'll move this piece here. I'll place this success here. Okay, so done. Now you've got a wonderful, perfect vision board. Now what to do here is, again you need to just share and then download it. That's it. Now you get a beautiful, you can set this as your desktop wallpaper, so which covers everything in the vision board. I think all of you understood this, and thank you for watching. And if you found this useful, click the button like, share and subscribe. I hope you learned something new today, and if you found this useful, you can definitely like, share and subscribe. And also, if you have anything to say, comment in the comment box. And thank you for watching.